If you're new with PETG printing, your overhangs probably look like this. I'm gonna show you how to get a smooth overhangs like this. So the problem which I had is overhangs which are quite steep, and you can see that they really look bad. The first thing and logical thing to do is, and to mention I'm printing a PETG, is to lower the speed, which, as you can see, didn't provide any noticeable difference. If you ask me, the overhangs even look worse when I reduce the speed. So for PETG, I did reduce the cooling speed, and I realized that I'm getting a bit of improvements, and I had just curling at this spot here, which is the steepest part of this print. At one point I did hit a wall because I was constantly getting something like this, or 20 prints and I was getting something like this. I couldn't make it work. I was changing all the settings, and what I can tell you, the cooling is playing a major factor, because you don't want too high cooling to have. The 30% is upper point for PETG, even for fast printing. And if you have a short layer time, even at that point, you can turn off slow down for shorter layer times, because it can cause curling, because you have a lot of cooling happening on the same spots, and PETG usually start curling if there is not a lot to attach on the overhangs. Quite a complicated situation, and at one point with even more reduction of cooling. And keep in mind, I'm going to repeat, I didn't lower the layer time speed. So basically what I mean by that is that I did turn off reduce speed when layer time is shorter than, let's say, 5-6 seconds. So I turned off that option. The printer was always printing a usual speeds for which you set for inner, outer layer, infill, and so on. And at one point I got this. So cooling 20-30% usual. I'm using 200 speed for inner walls, 180 for outer walls. Infill is 200, 240. You can experiment with that. The problem which solved my curling problem was orientation. I was printing this print like this, and when I turned it like this, it came out perfect. And this is completely individual, depending how the printer cooling was designed. The cover tree is having a bit of dead spot, and the cooling on one side is relatively higher than on other side. So when I changed the orientation, I got the perfection, at least for this print. I know problem with this is that it is not an ultimate solution, because you cannot know what exactly you need to do. Always have in mind this: PETG overhangs, two major things play the role. Cooling, if you have too high cooling on same spot constantly, too fast. So if the object is like this, and you have print head constantly going over with high cooling, you will get curling. Even on spots like this, the print gonna came out from the print bed and curl up. That is the problem. So cooling 20-30%, and try to change orientation. I already did tell you the speeds. Subscribe for more tips like this. See ya.